You will learn how to automate your Google Slides using n8n and a spark of AI. In this tutorial, we will see how to duplicate a presentation and replace some placeholder text. This can be very useful in many cases, like personalizing client presentations. The N8 Ninja is on a mission to liberate 1,000 souls from bullshit tasks, and nothing will stop her.
There is nothing more boring than manually duplicating presentations and making repetitive changes. This n8n workflow I crafted allows you to automate this process and save a lot of time, which you can invest in more important topics. Here's how it works. First, we fill out a form where I have set two fields, the title and the topic. For the topic, I just drop the main idea roughly, and the workflow uses ChatGPT to turn it into an efficient and impactful description for our slide. Let's run the workflow, and boom, we are redirected to our customized slide. Now let's see how it works. Our first node is the n8n form trigger node. It is the most straightforward way to start a workflow with some custom data. Of course, we could easily replace this with a webhook node and build our own branded HTML form. For this node, we rename the path and we set two required fields, the title and the topic. I'm quite lazy, and I acknowledge that ChatGPT is way better than me when it comes to copywriting. This is why I just asked for a high-level idea, and the next node will turn it into an efficient description. We connect the basic LLM node to the OpenAI model, and we work on our prompt. I came up with something very simple, but you can achieve incredible results by fine-tuning exactly what you expect from the AI. I pass the topic to my prompt, and we are done. Again, this is just to illustrate how simple it is to achieve magical results by using LLM as pieces in your apps and workflows. You could add more info, a private joke you have with your client, etc., to achieve a result that will retain attention. Now that part is done, let's manipulate Google Drive. n8n connects more than 400 different services, which is one of the main reasons it is so powerful. If you want to give it a try for free during 2 weeks, please follow the link below. It would greatly support my work. The first node is here to duplicate our template. We don't want to make changes directly in our template, of course. We set the action to copy the file. In the name, we drag and drop the title we have input in our form. The next node will replace the texts. We choose the Google Sheets node, and the action replace text. As a parameter, we pass the ID of the newly created file. Below, we set that we want to replace our placeholders, title and description, surrounded by brackets, with the title we provided in the form and the description generated by ChatGPT. That's all. We conclude our workflow with a response to the webhook node. We choose the action redirect and construct the URL by passing the ID of our Drive document. It is important that in your form node, you set the response hen using respond to webhook for this to work.
Thank you for watching. I hope that the N8 Ninja could be helpful to you. If you want to support her work, thumb up and share this video. If you have any questions or workflow requests, drop a comment. And if you want to stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. Let's keep building and see you around, dear crafters.